So I just want to show my latest work on my espresso setup. I've been working on my espresso grinder. It's an Anfim Super Caimano with titanium bells. I've been working on adding a scale. Underneath here is the holder for the portafilter, and it is connected to a string gauge load cell. So I will just show the menus. It's not completely finished, but it's almost finished. So I can choose the menu, push to grind manually. There's a menu for counters, the total and the counter I can reset. I made it so that there's I can program it for 4 portafilters. The first one I called EMS single, because I have an EMS single basket and an EMS double. That's the next one. Now there's a learn function. If I take a portafilter and put it in, I push the learn button, and then it will record the weight of this portafilter, and it will I'm not finished with this part, but I have asked for 17 grams, and it calculates from a factor that I put in basically how long it will take to grind that amount. Here it says 4,760 milliseconds. That means 4.8 seconds. I could change so that I get 15 grams instead, and make a new learn. Yeah, it was on 0. Then make a learn. And then it's calculated to 4.2 seconds. Take my portafilter with the EMS double basket and put it in. I made it so that if it grinds too much or too little, it will calculate a new time. So it asks if I want to accept it or I will reject it. The grind time for 5.1 seconds and new time 4.93. So I won't accept this one. So I just take my portafilter, I will say finished, and make a tear. And that's it.